Does it matter if you have a good lawyer handle your DUI case? What about just any lawyer, not a DUI lawyer? Hi, my name is Steve Fagan from the law firm of Fagan Davis, a DUI defense firm here in the Chicago area. Of course it matters. First, let's take the question of whether it should be a DUI lawyer versus any lawyer. First of all, the person handling your DUI should be an expert in DUI defense. Simple as that. They should know the ins and outs. There's a lot of components to DUI. There's criminal, civil, and traffic components that your attorney needs to know about, and he needs to know the right combination of things. Your lawyer needs to know all of those things because any one of those things can trip you up very seriously and have long-term ramifications in your case. Second of all, the people testifying against you in a DUI, the people bringing evidence against you, from the prosecutors to the officers to the nurses, phlebotomists, chemists, forensic scientists, all of them have extensive training of one kind or another. Police officers are trained not only in standardized field sobriety testing and administration, not only in traffic violations and how to initiate stops and how to interrogate people on the street and off. They are also experts because they've been trained in report writing, and they've also been trained in testifying. Nurses, phlebotomists, chemists, and forensic scientists all have specific scientific knowledge and specific medical knowledge, and your attorney needs to know how to address those things. Just any lawyer isn't going to cut it. Now, the other question that you might want to know is, does it matter whether your lawyer is a good DUI lawyer, or can you just get away with any lawyer? Now, I had a gentleman come to me for his second DUI, and he didn't know me when he had his first. His first was quite a long time ago, and it was in the city of Chicago. And I asked him about that case, and he mentioned that he got court supervision on his first offense, and that it was very quick and very inexpensive. Can you tell me a little bit about the facts of your case? I said. He tells me, well, I was standing outside my car when a Chicago paddy wagon pulled up, and I was talking to one of my friends, and I had my keys in my pocket. And they pulled up and arrested me and took me back to the police station where I blew a .09, and that was my case. When this happened, the breath alcohol limit in Illinois was .10. My next question was, how much time did your attorney put into your case? How much time did he spend discussing this with you? And his answer was very frightening. He said, I really didn't talk to my lawyer about the case first before pleading guilty. All he said was, I can get you this deal, let's finish this up today. I said, really? So are you telling me that you went to court one time in your case? He said, yes, that's exactly right. I walked into court, my lawyer told me, I looked at your case, it's time to plead guilty, I'll get you supervision. I paid some fines, I did some classes, and my case was over. I thought it was great. Unfortunately, I had to tell this gentleman that it really wasn't great, that there were opportunities that were missed here, that the attorney should have explored ways of getting his case dismissed and getting his suspension thrown out rather than pleading him out on the first court date without even ever looking at police reports, because it's clear that he didn't. Does it matter whether you have a good lawyer or a bad lawyer? Decide for yourself after hearing that story. Thank you for joining me. My name is Steve Fagan from the law firm of Fagan Davis. We're a DUI defense firm here in the Chicago area. If you or a loved one is facing DUI charges in Cook, Lake, or DuPage County courts, pick up the phone and call us. We'll be happy to talk to you about how we can help you.